Okay, 3 in my painting. So in my content previously, just today, I think I put it today. I uploaded today. Diba ako ang 3, may answer 3. Wala siyang bali. Nakuptan ako. I was able to manage to hold it carefully. And when I saw it in the video in my phone while filming, I thought it looks like I broke it, yeah. So I just decided, blunders, you know, some accidents that you cannot help. But now I'm trying to avoid it. So I repaint this again. Yeah, using, this is from my paint. This paint is from my fence. For my fence, yeah. And I need to recoat it again. So the color will show. See it? This is a terracotta pot. What do you think? Nice, na? That's really nice. So I'll do the other side, okay?